Adewale. I'm a software developer who specializes in PHP. I want to present to you my project, which I call Wellpath. Wellpath is an app that helps you track your fitness goals and helps you keep an healthy lifestyle. So many people find it hard to track their fitness goals. Sometimes they write in a book and maybe the book gets lost or damaged, maybe water touches it, or sometimes they just try to keep it in their head, okay, and maybe they forget. But Wellpath makes it easier for you to keep the records and go back to these records later when you need them. So I built this using front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap jQuery libraries. And on the back-end side, I used the object-oriented programming for PHP. So I'll be taking you through these projects now. So to start, this is the landing page for the project, and you can click on the sign up button. It takes you to where you can create an account. But for it to make the presentation seamless, I'll be logging in an existing user. So let me log in an existing user. It takes you to the form, and you can just fill in the login details. When you fill in the login details, it takes you to your dashboard, and on the dashboard you can see that the goals are empty. But down here we have recommended muscle building exercises for you, fetch from an API, which shows exercises from different levels, beginners, intermediates, on different muscle type, forearms, quadriceps, abdominals, and the rest. So you can add a goal, and when you click on the add goal button, it pops up a modal, and you can select. We have 4 types of goals here to track the amount of water you take, the amount of hours you sleep for, your exercise time, and your work time. Then, for example, when I click on water taking, it pre-populates the unit for me automatically. I used Ajax to achieve that. Then you can type in the amount of water you want. For example, let me say 2 hours, and I add this. So I can also add another goal. Let me say sleep time. Okay, let me say 8 hours, and add. So you can also fetch the details of your goal to record, update, edit, or delete. So now clicking on the sleep time takes me here, and it shows me the date I set the goal to set today and the target. Then I can record it or edit. For example, I want to edit it and say, okay, I want to set it to 6 instead of 8. I save the changes, and the target is now 6 hours. So let me record the progress. I can put in 3 here to record that, okay, out of the 6 hours I was able to sleep for 3 hours, and it pops up the progress bar, which shows you the progress you are making, and this shows that you've made 50% progress on this. Okay, I can also go back home and check the other goal, which is water taking. So I can also edit this, I can record, and I can also delete. For example, if I delete, it pops up and tells me, are you sure you want to delete the goal? But I'm not going to delete it, I just want to update it. Let me post one and record. So it pops up the progress bar, and like that. Also on this, I have another feature, which is a journal feature. It helps you keep journals of your activities, short journals where you can write about your activities with images. So for example, I'll be adding a journal. Okay, so this, let me add this. Then let me add an image to it. Add. So I have these journals here, and I can edit, and I can also delete. When I click on delete, it pops up and tells me, are you sure you want to delete the journal? And also I can search for journals. For example, I want to know what I've written about work. I want to know, okay, how well have I been doing at work? Have I been doing good, or I've not been doing good? So I can just search for work, and when I search, it brings out all my journals about work. So this program shows about the productive day as at work. And also you can go to your profile to edit your profile. When you click on edit, you can edit the profile picture. You choose a file. Okay, let me use this. Then you can also edit your other details. For example, the gender, the date of birth. So let me just click on anyone. Okay, so weight, you can add your weight and also your height, then you save it. So you can also go back to the goal and maybe check the goals you have set and maybe delete any of the goals. For example, okay, you think I'm no more interested in this, I want to delete it, and you click on OK. It's deleted. You can also delete a journal. For example, I don't want to keep the details of this again. I think I should delete it, and you can also delete that too. So with Wellpath, it's very easy for you to keep data of your activities, your health activities and other activities with the journal feature and also the goal feature. It helps you to track your goals and be consistent in achieving the goals. Thank you.